How to make your Pinterest account public. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. So let's head to the video. This is valid for both an Android device and an iOS device. It doesn't matter which device do you have. So you open the Pinterest app. Once you open the Pinterest app, on the bottom right you'll find your profile icon. Click on that, and then on the top left you'll find your account. Click on that. Once you click on that, you'll find multiple options here. You have to click on profile visibility. Once you click on profile visibility, you can see my profile is private, so you have to turn it off to make it public. Once you turn off that icon, if you also want to hide your searches, don't want to hide it, you can turn that off too. And that's how you can keep your account public. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.